guys, welcome to Lux Lover. Today I have a quick Louis Vuitton unboxing for you guys. I recently picked up a new release that I'm super excited to share with you all. So if that sounds like something you're interested in watching, I hope you'd consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. I want to keep this video short and sweet. And as I mentioned, this is a new release and it's new to my collection. I literally just received it in the mail, so I haven't had a chance to take a peek at it. So we'll go ahead and take a look at it together. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And I'm sure you guys can probably guess what's in here based on the shape and size of the dust bag. And to reveal, the newly launched slim purse in the reverse monogram print. I'm super excited about this piece. For those of you that may not know, I love the reverse monogram print. Unfortunately, I don't have too many pieces from this collection. I believe I currently have 3 reverse monogram handbags and the trio pouch that also comes with a smaller reverse monogram pouch. But other than that, I don't have too many reverse monogram SLGs. Oh, and I also forgot that I also have the card holder and reverse monogram as well. So I'm super excited and happy that I was able to get my hands on this piece. As I mentioned, this is a newly launched piece. I believe it launched at the end of April 30th to be exact. So I'm super happy that I was able to snatch it from Louis Vuitton online. Here's a look at the interior. So it features black leather lining. You have your Louis Vuitton Paris stamp written in gold. Favorite feature is the back. So the back features a total of 8 card slots. So you have 4 on this end and 4 on that end. And these at the bottom also serve as card slots as well. So in essence, you have the 3 at the top and then the reverse monogram card at the bottom. Another reason why I was interested in this piece once I was made aware that it was going to launch on Instagram is because of the fact you're getting an all-in-one slim wallet. So here's a look at the interior and I'm going to get a little bit closer. This piece was actually made in Spain. The interior also features a black leather lining. And for those of you that are interested in this piece, here is the item number and it's M80390. I'll go ahead and leave it on the screen for you guys. The slim purse is also available in the classic monogram print if you're interested in that piece. And for those of you that are interested in knowing the retail value, this piece retails for 350 euros or 510 US dollars. So I paid 350 euros for this piece and I think it's worth it. Because of the fact you're getting a total of 8 card slots, you also have the middle compartment where you can add your cash. And then you also have an exterior pocket if you want to add cash in here as well. I'm not sure if an iPhone 12 will fit in here. I will definitely come back on and do a review to show you how many cards you can actually fit. And I will attempt to see, I know for a fact an iPhone 8 will fit. I have both the iPhone 8 as well as the iPhone 12. Because of the fact that iPhone 8 is very slim, I know it will fit in here, but I'm not sure about the iPhone 12. So definitely stay tuned for a review of this piece. And in that video, I'll go ahead and share with you guys if your iPhone 12, for those of you that own the iPhone 12, fits inside of the slim purse. I think this is a fabulous piece. This was one of the SLGs that I was most excited about. Lately, Louis Vuitton hasn't been launching anything that gives me much excitement, with the exception of a few items that I currently have on my radar that I will be unboxing very soon with you guys. But other than that, I'm not a big fan of their limited edition pieces, as well as some of the seasonal pieces that they've been launching. But this is the first time in a long time that I've been super excited for a launch. I couldn't wait for this piece to launch. I kept refreshing the website, and once it was made available add to cart, I quickly went ahead and snatched it. As far as the monogram version, I'll go ahead and put a picture of what it looks like on the screen for you guys. I don't see myself adding the monogram print to my collection. I have plenty of classic monogram wallets, so I don't feel the need to add the monogram print, but I definitely wanted to have the reverse in my collection. So that is it, guys. That was my quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I added to my collection. As always, I thank you so much for tuning in to Lux Lover, and I will chat with you guys on my next video.